Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 5th of September, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with insights from Howard Lutnick, CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald, who recently shared his thoughts on the challenges traditional financial institutions face when it comes to Bitcoin. Despite a growing interest in Bitcoin transactions, US regulatory requirements are proving to be a significant hurdle. Lutnick describes Bitcoin as an outsider in the traditional finance community, which is only now beginning to explore its potential. He points out that banks are discouraged from participating due to the need to set aside equivalent funds for Bitcoin holdings. However, if regulations were more accommodating, many traditional firms would likely jump at the chance to invest in Bitcoin. In line with this, Cantor Fitzgerald is making strategic moves by planning to launch a Bitcoin financing business with a hefty initial lending capacity of $2 billion. This initiative aims to provide leverage to Bitcoin holders. The firm has already forged a relationship with Tether and is active in US Treasury trading. Lutnick's remarks come at a time when the integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance is a hot topic, with regulatory clarity being a major sticking point. Interestingly, Lutnick's influence extends beyond finance, as he was recently appointed by Donald Trump to chair his presidential transition team. Shifting gears, let's talk about a recent security incident involving Pendle. Earlier today, Pendle experienced a breach targeting PenPy, leading to some loss of funds. However, thanks to their real-time monitoring system, Pendle was able to quickly pause contracts and protect approximately $105 million from further compromise. The breach was linked to suspicious activity involving Tornado Cash, and Pendle's team swiftly mobilized to address the threat. By 1845 UTC, Pendle had paused all contracts, effectively halting any further asset drainage. They worked closely with security experts and other protocols to ensure no similar vulnerabilities existed. After confirming the safety of Pendle's contracts and isolating the issue to PenPy, normal operations resumed by 0050 UTC. Throughout the incident, Pendle maintained open communication with security experts and expressed gratitude for the assistance received. They reassured users of the security of their funds and reiterated their commitment to platform safety. Next, we delve into the evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency market with insights from Ryan Watkins. Watkins suggests that the era of indiscriminate private-to-public token arbitrage is coming to an end, signaling a need for more selective investment strategies as the market matures. He emphasizes the importance of identifying clear winners in the crypto economy, noting that while venture strategies will continue to thrive, achieving returns will become more challenging, leading to greater disparities in performance among investments. Watkins highlights Maker as a key player in decentralized finance, projecting its valuation could surpass $40 billion due to its vital role in financing Ethereum's economy. Maker's competitive advantage lies in its stablecoin, DAI, which dominates the market with its liquidity and integrations. He also comments on the rise of meme coins, comparing their popularity to the 2017 ICO bubble, but points out their lack of substantial value propositions. Finally, Watkins discusses Solana's potential, describing it as a unique blockchain with a differentiated architecture that could rival Ethereum. Solana's integrated design may attract a larger developer base, positioning it favorably in the crypto economy. Overall, Watkins advocates for a more discerning approach to investments in the crypto space, focusing on established leaders and innovative technologies. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we've covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.